Yo, yo. We've got more packages. I ordered so many like US to UK packages lately. The post office league. It's just been saying that I'm there more than there apparently. Which is pretty shitty. But yeah, this is the one that I got off a dude called Randy. So we've got that on the back, which looks cool as fuck. We got that there. Yeah, bootleg pins. Yeah, looks cool that way. Good way. I'll have to let him know. He was just asking me where it was, whether it got here yet. He was asking me yesterday. He'd shipped it like just over a week ago, but it took quite a while. This one. Just went a little tour around the UK first. But yeah, I've got another package here as well, which I don't actually know what it is. I've got an idea. I think it's some Zippos, but I'm really not sure from how it feels. Oh, okay. I think it is Zippos now, yeah. Yeah. One. Two. There. Three, and an invoice. So let's have a look. Let's go left to right. Sublime. Looks cool, that. 2013. With the 16 stamp. Okay. That doesn't make sense, but whatever. What's this one gonna be? Oh, it's the other Sublime. Long Beach. 16. Cool. Yeah, they're all new. Unused. Oh, my dog's going mental. It's a pizza menu. Dude, man. Chill. Chill. Winston. And lastly, Dick Candies. Yeah. He's delivering pizza menus, man. He's our friend. And, 2015, that one. So yeah, nice day to be alive. Not. That's cool, right? I really like that pin patch. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, but real bright colours. Cool. All right. Take it easy, y'all.